For the month of March, the price action of the Dogecoin consolidated at the support levels. Breaking that support level, Doge finally tested out for its target at around 6 cents, and that level was tested 2 times. However, the same got a rejection. Welcome to Facts. We create videos about finance, cryptocurrency, CFD, and other exciting investment topics. Today's topic will help you to decide on whether or not you would want to buy Dogecoin. Watch this video till the end. At the current point, the price action of Dogecoin is going back to support levels, and in comparison to the previous support, there is a chance of a higher low this time. But don't you worry, there won't be much delay before you see a bounce back, and the price action will reach new resistance levels. Before that, let us look at what the billionaires have to say about Dogecoin. Elon Musk, in his recent tweet, gave out an opportunity for crypto holders that Bitcoins can be used to buy Tesla, although he did not mention anything about Dogecoin. However, Elon Musk being a huge face for Dogecoin, we can predict Doge to be soon enough getting accepted for Tesla. Before we dive further into the video, it's time to look at the comment of the day, which is from Hustler1, who says, "Hell, if it goes to 50 cents, I'll make 30k, and I'm happy with that, lol." Well, Hustler1, we'd be happy too if we made such a massive amount. Don't you agree with us, guys? Mark Cuban announced that the Dallas Mavericks will now be accepting payments with Dogecoin, being the largest Dogecoin merchant in the world. He also predicted the token's price to finally hit the $1 mark. Also, earlier this month, a Dogecoin-inspired NFT, a non-fungible token created by Chris Torres, was sold for $69,000, about 45 ETH on the cryptocurrency art platform Foundation. All these events taking place can be a significant indication that it's not very long in Dogecoin hitting the $1 mark. Even though these billionaires are promoting Dogecoin, it can mean they see a high potential in it. However, as a retailer or commoner, you must also not forget that these men are billionaires and a slight loss will not affect them, unlike you. We highly recommend you manage your risks and take calculated steps for the same. Before we move further to check the analysis for Dogecoin for this month, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to our channel. Moving on, let's briefly look into the previous marks for a clearer view of our April analysis. For March, the resistance was at $0.06 and the support was at $0.045. Here we can also see that the support level at the closure of January and opening of February was at $0.04, making the support much more stable around $0.04. However, at the close of February, the support low was $0.03, which has gone higher in March. In March, at $0.0570, the price broke down from the previous trend line. Now, it is essential that new support levels are touched for Dogecoin to touch an all-time high. There are around 94% buyers, and the rest are sellers for Dogecoin, which is a piece of positive news for the coin. People are currently confused about whether Bitcoin or Dogecoin is a better high. Both have performed very well in the last year. Bitcoin has a price resistance of over 600%, and Dogecoin is high over 200%. Also, viewers, it would be best if you did not forget that Dogecoin has an inflammatory model because the supply never ends, unlike Bitcoin, whose supply mark is 21 million. Dogecoin does have the potential of high market capitalization. Still, it is not valued as that Bitcoin. The scarcity of Bitcoin is what makes it more valuable. Dogecoin, however, is in a similar position where Bitcoin was when it started new, and Bitcoin performed well, which gives an idea that Dogecoin is most likely to perform well. Since Dogecoin's future supply is endless, this became a reason for having a low price target in comparison to other cryptocurrency assets like Bitcoin. Currently, the price is less than the previous support. Once the price surpasses the previous support is when we can predict a new resistance test. That will be the 4th time when Dogecoin hits up $0.06 mark, and this 4th time likely is the time where it flips. And if that continues, then finally the coin will hit a new resistance high, which is something we're sure of. Usually, over the years, we have seen that cryptocurrency stays almost at the same levels in the month of March, with not much resistance, but April and May are months where upside markers are possible, so you should not overlook them. As we predict for the month of April, we will most likely want to see small bounces. Once the candle comes up, it will flip and get into support and repeat. We expect it to follow a model that should not reach high resistance straight up, because as you can see in the chart, in early February, Doge reached a high resistance at once without consolidation or creating support levels, and it flipped. Each level broke down, which lasted for more number of days than the resistance. In simpler words, we would want a model with bounces and small support levels. Before moving forward, if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, kindly take a moment and do the needful. Here's what you need to know about the rejection of the 2/6 cents mark. Previously, the super trend indicator gave a green signal for buying Doge on the 4-hour chart. However, the moving average convergence divergence was seen giving a lack of momentum in the past week, at the resistance level of $0.062 was not flipped into a support level at this stage. A normal drop or tweet from any famous personality, similar ones that we've seen earlier, would have made buying opportunity for Doge. However, as a result of aggressive buyers, the Dogecoin prices have set up 3 distinctive higher lows. Its price forms a bullish consolidated pattern, pointing at super high gains, which further results in a series of high. Such pattern would indicate an ascending triangle when the pivot points are connected with trend lines. With the trend for the month of March, Doge hit the resistance of 6 cents twice, but could not consolidate into support levels to bounce up, but got rejected twice. So now we're looking for new higher low support levels so that we can consolidate and get into the previous support range for it to bounce. Our new resistance target should be $0.071, as we've already hit the target of $0.06 twice, and it will blow past it. The resistance range around early February will have a support range after reaching $0.071 as we head up the side. The following price target would be around $0.085. This target is created by the ascending triangle, forming a bullish bias with a projection of a 35% upswing, which is determined by measuring the distance of the swings formed in the month of February, by adding the same at the breakout point in March at $0.057 will give us the next target, around $0.08. The first place for interest is the current trading mark of the meme coin. Any swift close on the chart will help the coin to gain a surge of 10%. Any buyer slices through this barrier, then there is a 26% surge, which will most likely high the coin to $0.085 resistance target. Hence, it is imperative to surpass the mark of $0.06 for investors to open their wings. Now there, we do have a possibility of getting a rejection towards the lower boundary of the ascending triangle at $0.057. Almost about a 9% drop in the price of Dogecoin. At that point, it is imperative to flip into a support level, else another 9% drop will be seen only after surpassing. Then we can expect an all-time high price at $0.10. Currently, we are at the 21 days moving average. We need to surpass the March range, that is $0.06. The major area where we should keep our focus on is higher low. We need to get a bounce in the new higher low, because if we get a daily close below our previous support, then chances of Dogecoin surpassing its previous high resistance will be difficult. It was early in 2018 when Dogecoin reached its all-time high at $0.087. Since then, it has fallen into a long-term downtrend, although in 2019, many cryptos, including Doge, was seen at a surge until 2020 buyers are more encouraged to buy Dogecoin. There are some analysts who believe that Dogecoin can never hit the target of $1. However, there are long-term investors and billionaires like Mark Cuban who firmly know that Doge will hit the $1 target. In 2021, Dogecoin is likely to form a pole of a bull flag, which will be consolidated before another bounce, and support within the range provides a possibility for the next higher range. Dogecoin has the price potential to reach up to 40 cents mark, providing there is no breakout. Overall, we do see a buy the dip opportunity here, because if we have similar thinking as that of Mark Cuban for long-term investing, speculations are if the RSI upsides and gets along with the price action, reaching $0.085 won't be long. Although even if RSI downsides along with the price action being oversold, it will head towards the yearly low at $0.03, which further, in the long run, is revivable. With that, we have reached the end of today's video. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to comment down below your thoughts to have a chance to star as the comment of the day.